Yo, what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a new contact on WhatsApp. So let's suppose somebody adds their or share their contact with you on WhatsApp, so how you can add them. So basically go to your WhatsApp app. This is the new update, by the way. You'll have to hop on to the new version of WhatsApp. So what you need to do is click on the create a new chat icon here on the right bottom corner. Once you click here, now you'll see all the contacts in your list, and there are two new options: new group and new contact. First of all, the first one is you can just simply add them using QR or via QR sharing, and the other one is by clicking and entering all the details by yourself. So for the QR, it's basically very simple. You just click on the QR, the camera will pop up, and you can just simply scan any QR code if there is any available around you, or somebody just sharing the QR. You can also share your QR by clicking on my QR code, and it'll share your QR code, and via this you can share your contact info with anyone. Okay, once that's done, this one is just entering all the details by yourself. If you click on new contact, it's going to redirect you to your phone's contacts app, and here you need to fill all the credentials for that person and click on save, and that contact will be added to your WhatsApp contact list. So this is how you can add new contact to your WhatsApp contact list. I hope you found this video helpful. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.